違うかも線の道がいったから石のように硬いそんな石が父もつぶらないままなでしこ進撃で癒す
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is about a classic bold nude smoky eye makeup look. I made this name. It's really good. Just kidding, it's going to be a simple nude smoky eye makeup look. You can carry this with western or ethnic wear, anything you want, and it's very bold yet very simple. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel today, yo, I'm Sahi and I'm so grateful that you clicked on my video, and I'll try to make sure that you regret nothing. So yeah, let's just start with today's video. Okay, so I've got my base makeup done because I don't want more time to waste than it actually does with me talking nonsense. So we're gonna start with the eyebrows. I'm not going to draw them, I'm just gonna fill them lightly. They look natural and they look alright. Now we're gonna start with the eye makeup. You only need a brown lipstick and a black kajal for this eye look. The reason I'm using a brown lipstick rather than a nude eyeshadow is because it's cream based and it will blend quickly with the kajal. So I'm just creating a shadow here on my crease. It's actually the shade Clay Crush from the Maybelline New York. Oh, I forgot the range name. I don't know, it's this lipstick. Now just take any black kajal. I don't know why the camera isn't focusing. Now you have to fill half of your lower crease. Like my crease is already divided. I'm gonna fill in up to this line. Now take a small fluffy brush like this and just start blending it out. Don't try to rush it or it will not turn out the same. So take some time and do it nicely. Now that it's softly mixed, take the kajal again. Now just take the brush again and mix it a little bit on the outer corners. Now take an eyeliner and a small brush. I seriously don't know why my camera is not focusing. Draw on your waterlines. You can skip this step. You can skip this step if you think the kajal is enough for your eyes, but I like to do it anyway. And remember, your lower lashes need some attention as well, but be very careful with them because I always mess up when I try to do lower lashes. So yeah, just be careful. Now let me quickly finish the other eye as well. So both of my eyes are done, and today I'm going to try out contouring my nose for the first time because I'm not actually a big fan of contouring my face, but I'm just gonna try it today. I don't have any contours, so I'm just using a lip liner. So let's just try. God, now I'm scared. I hope this turns out good. Like, I've never ever contoured my nose, so it's a little bit hard for me in the first time. I hope I'm doing it right. Time to blend it. I swear I'm putting on more foundation if this doesn't turn out good. Actually, I don't think it's looking that bad first try, so okay is good. So let's just move on to our next step, that is blusher. I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Stick Blusher as usual. I'm not putting it on heavily, just slightly is okay. So for the next step we have lipstick. I am going to wear a nude lipstick with brown lip liner, the same lipstick and lip liner we used on eye and nose contour. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I will see all of you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
can make me